Good day everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre for an update of today's conditions. A high pressure system has settled in over the eastern parts of the country overnight, and the circulation around this high has allowed for moist air to get pushed in over parts of Limpopo and Mpumalanga, bringing in cloud as well as cooler temperatures across the area. Otherwise, it's going to be a generally sunny to partly cloudy day for much of South Africa. This is also going to result in warming temperatures over the Cape provinces as well as for the Free State. And later on today, partly cloudy skies develop over the far western parts of the country, but we aren't expecting any rainfall out of that. Now, with that moist air moving in from the Indian Ocean, the moisture then pushes up against the escarpment areas, and this allows for a bit of drizzle and fog to develop across that area, affecting the escarpment of Limpopo and Mpumalanga. Otherwise, dry weather expected for the rest of the country. It's going to be a much warmer day for parts of western South Africa. Uppington gets to 25 degrees, 24 for Vredendal, and Cape Town warms to 20 degrees. Around the 20-degree mark as well along the southern and southeast coasts of South Africa, while slightly warmer weather is expected for Durban and Richards Bay. It remains cold in places over the southern and eastern high ground, mid to upper teens expected across those areas. Easterly to southeasterly winds are forecast from Langebaan through to Alexander Bay. Swell heights continue dropping across the area with an average height of about 2.5 meters. Along the southwest coast, we're expecting light winds across the area as well, 15 kilometers per hour for False Bay as well as the Table Bay area, and we're expecting a westerly wind to affect the Cape Agulhas region. Westerly to southwesterly winds are expected for the south coast of the country. Much lighter winds across this area after a couple of windy days, and swells remain at about 2.5 meters as well, and we're expecting high tide this afternoon at 20 minutes to 3. For the east coast of the country, we're expecting easterly to northeasterly winds, very light winds in the forecast for East London. Swells over this area fairly similar to the rest of the coastline, between 2 and 3 meters.
News that moves. eNCA.com.